Juan Hidalgo at City World Toyota proud to present you the 2019 RAV4. The 2019 RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive comes standard with the 17-inch alloy wheel. On the 2019 RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive, you get the heated steering wheel, 7-inch screen display, and dual climate control. On the XLE all-wheel drive, you get all-terrain, which gives you snow, mud and sand, rock and dirt for all terrains, giving you better handling for various situations. Toyota thinks about you and your family, which is why the new RAV4 now gives you more space. Not only is the new redesign in the back, it also opens with a push of a button. If you want to learn more about the all-new RAV4, come visit us at City World Toyota, where it's better to buy in the Bronx.